Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the Newton law of motion. We are going to discuss the three basic law of the motion. First law, second law and the third law. So we will start by the first law. The Newton first law of motion states that every body continue in its state of rest or of uniform motion in a straight line unless it is compelled by some external force to change that state. ठीक है. So what it mean by the means of a first law of motion, that whatever the thing is there. Take any example of this duster. If we consider it as any body, if the body is placed here, that body will be stay in a rest position unless until we can't compelled by some external force. This is also called as a law of inertia. Clear? So that is the mean of the first law of the motion. If you check out diagram I have drawn for the simplicity, we have any object A which is at the position x equals to 0. It will stay here for time t and it will here for time t dash unless we can't compel it by some external force which is F. Assume in a second diagram I am going to apply a force on that object which is A. Now what happen if the force has been applied along the x direction, positive x direction, so body will be displaced from this point to this point. So this is only happened just because of the first, by the means of the external force. So that is nothing but that is a basic description of the Newton first law. Come to the second law. Newton's second law of a motion states that rate of change of momentum with respect to the time of a body is directly proportional to the external force applied. Means F equals to dp upon dt equals to F equals to ma. What it mean? For the explanation of this second law, we will take a common example. We will take a common example of a football. We take example of a football. A football is in rest position. If any player is going to be hit that object, that object will displaced from his initial position to the final position. ठीक है? So at that time, mass of that object will remain constant. Only there is change in a velocity, and that leads to the change in the momentum. So that's why the rate of change of momentum with respect to time is nothing but it is a force. So this is simply called as a Newton's second law of a motion. Thank you. Then we shift toward the third law of motion. Newton's third law of motion states that every action there is equal and opposite reaction. For every action there is equal and opposite reaction. What it mean? Again, take an example of this duster. This duster having a body A similar to the body A and body B. If hand will behave as a body B and this will be A, if object is lying here, so at that time what is happening? One force exerted by this body A on the hand. Second, the opposite force has been applied in a same equal magnitude on this body. The force exerted by the body B on A and force exerted by the body A on B is equal in amount and in opposite to each other. So that is called as a Newton law of motion. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.